Hey friends, welcome back to Tech with Ryder. Today we're going to talk about how we can handle error in a Node.js project, also handle static response to client. First of all, open working flow and you can see when we want to create a shop account or we want to create a product. If there some error occurs, we will throw back the error to root, and from root we will throw back the error to app.js, and in app.js we will handle error here and we returns to error to client. First of all, come back to our controller and you can see here there are a lot of duplicate source code, and I don't want to do like this. I just want through an error here like this, and I will make some middleware and helpers to help me cache this error and return to client. Okay, so now to do that we need to go to router, and this is stand for this. This function is stand for request response. Nice. Right. So this is a asynchronous function. So we need to cache the error, and if we cache the error, we will put it to next function. Open the app.js file. We are in root, right? And when root has some problem, root occurs an error, and then we call next function. It will move the error to here. So we will make some middleware to process error here. Okay, that is something I want to do. So now to make this function more concise, I will make a closure function to graph this function, like handle async error. Okay, I will make it in a helper. Open helper, handle async error helpers. Okay, no need helper dot ts. In this one, I will make a helper function. In this helper function, we have a function. It will return a closure function, request response next function, request spread. Okay, response spread and next function. Okay, so function will be called request rest and next. Okay, so if we have some problem cache next. Okay, return function. Okay, so we will call the function in root. Import default handle. Remove two character and import again. Okay. Now, when a sign up function have some problem, I mean sign up function occurred an error, it will handle it's wrapped by handle async error, and if this function, if sign up function have some problem, this handle async error will catch the error and through the error via next function. Then it will jump to here. Now let's check it. App.u error request respond next. Okay. Any I will go here and instead return to client, I will throw new error here. Now call this API with missing password. It will jump to here, right? Oh, we need to start server. Yeah, you can see when the API error, it will jump to here and it will throw an error, right? The root will catch the error by handle async error function, and then it will jump to below root. Okay, so it will jump to here. Does it make sense? And now we need to make a helper function to handle the error. Okay, so first of all, I need to create a handle error.ts. Okay, and in that function, first of all, I need to install npm install http status code. And here we will make a class error response. It will have to attribute -e status, public status. Status is a number, it's a HTTP code, and I will make a message, a string. Okay, so we will have a constructor message status stated code more make sense. Message. Okay, so this dot stated code equals stated code. This message equal message. This is a number. String. Okay. So now we will make some error class like bad request or authenticate fail or not found or conflict request. There are a lot of class we can make SQL attend error response. So now I will make a class bad request extend from error response. Constructor. We have also message started code. Started default of started code is a number, and default is stated code. We import stated code from stated code dependency and bad request. Also the same with message in a string, and default is reason face dot bad request. Okay, go to the constructor of parent class super stated code and message. Okay, now export to this class. So we will export error also bad request, and in our controller, instead of through error, we will new bad request. Yeah, it's okay because we set default value for stated code and message, right? So now go to app.ts and handle error here. So we will return request response stated code. Okay, error request e. I think I will move this one into handle error function. Okay, error request is bright. Okay, respond is spread and nice function. I also export this one, and here we will return stated. It will be error or stated. In case stated not exist, it will be is stated code. In case stated code is undefined, it will be status code not found. Okay, and we will send a JSON. I want to send status. I also want send message. In case message is not identified, reason phrase not found. Okay, now handle error. Nice. Let's check with the API. Let's call the API and check it. Email or name are acid. No. But request. Okay, return. Okay, return new bot request. And I want to modify the message, so I want to use this message, so I need to first param is status code, so status code dot bot request, and the second is the message. I think we don't need to put the bot request status code again, so I need to change this one to object instead of to input parameters. So first of all, we need to define an interface I here, and it will have to okay, so it will be I error. Okay, is the same with this. Message. Okay, so we don't need to put the status code again. We need to put the message. Something is wrong. Okay, so I need to define the status code here. It will be status code but request is the same with message. Reason equal reason phrase dot but request. Status code is declared here. Okay, so in case I don't want to push stated code or message, so we need to put the question mark here. Undefined. Okay, back to here. Now let's run the API and see the result. Something is wrong. We need to send here. Okay, try it again. Oh, change the controller. Oh, we need to through. Okay, run the API again. Yeah, you can see here now we have a response that's the bad request, and we have status and message. Is that right? So we don't need this one. Okay, it's the same with this. We need to, it's very simple. Okay. And now we will create a handle success to handle in case the API returns success. Okay, now create a handle success. In handle success, we have a success response. In handle success, we need to return metadata. Metadata is object that's a record string any. Okay. In constructor we have stated code, message, and metadata. It will be an object. Okay, so this metadata data, it will be a record, right? Or undefined metadata equal metadata. Okay, so in case we have in case create a soft success register account success, so we will create a class called created extend from success response class constructor. Of course we have stated code. Default is stated code dot created. We have message, reason phrase created, and we have method data. Okay, it's a and then this stated code. Something is wrong here. Oh, okay. This dot message metadata. Oh, okay. So okay, we need to go super stated code message metadata. Okay, so error response. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now export. We will export created success response created. Okay, back to, we forgot to make a send function to send it to client. So come back to the success response class and make a public send function. In send we will have response. Okay, so we will return response stated, this stated code, and we will send a JSON that is stated code message metadata to client. Okay, I mean this stand for stated code message and metadata. Okay. Okay, in case status code in none, so it will be stated code. Okay, nice. Back to our 10, and in here we will return a created. Back to, I want to get the message, so we will return created, and in created we will modify the message. We have message, right? So why it doesn't recommend here? New created message. I want to send this message. Okay, then send. What is wrong here? Oh, we missed metadata. So metadata will be new shop. Okay, and send with request response. Okay. Create a shop error. I will show an error like this. Message will be error dot message error. Any. Okay, let's check it again. Check we will create a success fully. We will create a shop account and check it create success or not. Okay, now fine. Okay, nice. You can see here we just create a shop account successfully. Now take a look what we did in this video. When we deal with an error, we make a class and through the error to root. In root, we handle the error and move it to app.ts. In app.ts, we write an handle error to return the error to client. And we also create a success class to handle success response to client. And in the next video, we will make an login API to allow customer to log into our system. If you feel this video is useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video.